About 10 years ago, I had a lot of lower back pain, leg pain, and so forth. The pain got worse and worse. Even just sitting for a short period of time, just to get up and walk across the room, I felt like a 90-year-old woman.
We looked at her MRI and we got some x-rays of her back with her bending forward and backwards, and we could see that between the fourth and fifth bones of her low back, she had a lot of movement, which tells us that there's instability at that level. Whenever we see instability of the nature that she had, the best option for her is to fuse those joints. And by fusing those bones together, we can eliminate the motion and improve her back and leg pain.
The pain had just gotten intense. Sleepless nights for months. I was so ready to do the fusion.
Whenever we do any surgery, we do it in the most minimally invasive way possible. And we did that in her case too. We did a 360-degree fusion, which means we go from the front of the spine as well as the back of the spine. We make a small incision over the flank and we go behind all the abdominal organs to the front of the spine, and we cut into the disc and scrape out most of the disc, and we put a spacer, in her case a plastic spacer packed with graft bone, between the bones that were slipped, and then we close up that incision and turn her over under her stomach and then put screws and rods and do the fusion from the back as well. She did very well, so she had really a tremendous recovery. Most people in the hospital, at the very least overnight, sometimes it's 3 to 5 days, just depending on the person and how well they recover and how well they heal and what their pain tolerance is.
I'm feeling really good now. I have to say, after being braced up and not able to move, I feel I've lost a little core strength. So I have asked Dr. Chaudhari to send me to therapy of some sort. Taking charge of your recovery is very important to the success of the surgery. There's no reason nowadays to go and suffer and get old before your time, because back pain will definitely take you to another level. I'd like to give a great thanks to Dr. Chaudhari. I feel like I've gotten my life back. I think he's my hero today.